Good morning, children. As we have finished explanation of chapter 3, that is log on to Access, now we have to move with its exercise, back exercise. First exercise, that is A part, is fill in the blanks. A dash is an organized way of storing information. Answer is database. Second, a dash database stores data in several tables and link those tables together to get a common piece of dash. So first dash is relational and next one is information. Two dashes are there in second question. Third, all the columns in a table are called dash. So correct answer is fields. Fourth, dash key combination is used to quit the Microsoft Access. Alter F4. Fifth question, dash helps us to retrieve the filtered database upon some conditions. Queries is the correct answer. Dash contains the value for all the fields that belongs to a single person or an entity. Records. So for fill in the blanks, you only have to write down correct answers. Don't copy statements, as I am sharing this page with you in this video. Question B is state true or false. First statement, Microsoft Access is a database management system. It is false. It is relational database management system, RDBMS. Second, a set of characters that represents a valid value is known as data. True. Third, in flat file database system, you can make links. False. You cannot make any link in flat file database system. To make any sort of link, you need a relational database, which is MS Access. Okay. Fourth is, you can create a relationship between two tables by using a unique field. True. Fifth is, tables, queries, reports, and forms can be created in Microsoft Access. True. Sixth, DBMS stands for Data and Business Management Software, which is false. It is database management system. Seventh is, the rows in the table are called records. Correct. It's true. So you only have to write down correct, that is true or false. C is application based questions. First is, Supriya is given an assignment to create a new table in the existing document. Suggest her the option which she should select after opening Microsoft Access. Answer is open, then select database, and then create table. Second, Mansi wants to quit Microsoft Access after saving a database by using shortcut keys. Which key combination will you suggest her to use? For saving, CTRL, that is Control plus S, is the shortcut key. Next is multiple choice questions. First is, a dash is the shortcut key combination to save the database. B is correct answer. B option, that is CTRL plus S. Second, dash is an application software which is used to create, modify, and extract data from a database. A is correct option, that is DBMS. Third, dash is the standard file name extension for database in Microsoft Access 2010. C is the correct option, .accdb. Fourth, there are mainly dash types of database. 2. A option is correct. Fifth, dash are the user-friendly interfaces that facilitates the process of entering data in tables and queries. So B is the correct option, that is forms. Sixth, which option displays the name of the current database on which you are working? C is the correct answer, that is title bar. After doing this much, B question is answer the following questions. I think children, I have told you to write this question's answer, that what is a database, and give examples of a database. In case if I have not given you, you have to find out the answer in the previous video, that is the first video that I have given you for MS Access. In that easily you can find out the answer for what is database and give examples of database. So what is database? A database is an organized way of storing information. It helps us to manage and access large amount of information quickly and very efficiently. Some examples for database are telephone diary, dictionary, maintaining a list of students and their addresses, keeping records of academic, curricular activities, list of groceries in grocery stores, library, list of customers in banks, and so on. Second question was also given as homework. Explain any 5 features of MS Access that I have marked, I have given to you, and I have told you to write any 4 or 5 out of the features given in the book. So you write down 5 features of MS Access. If you have done it, that is previously if I have given you, no need to write it again in the copy. Last question is, what are the 2 types of database? Explain each of them briefly. So the 2 types of there are mainly 2 types of database: flat file database and relational database. Flat file database refers to data files that connect records which have a small fixed number of fields without any structured relationship. For example, Microsoft Excel. While as relational database stores data in several tables and link those tables together to get a common piece of information. For example, Microsoft Access. Question C, as given here on the screen, is define the following terms: tables, data, and reports. Only 3 you have to write: tables, data, and reports. So it is given in the previous video. If you go through, I am still giving you what are tables. Tables are the building blocks of a database. They store the complete data in a structured manner, that is in the form of rows and columns. Every table has a finite number of columns and rows. Next is, what is data? A set of characters that represent a valid value is known as data. A set of characters that represents a valid value is known as data. Last one is reports. Reports are used to display selected data in a printable format. Reports collect the summarized data from one or more tables or queries and organize it in a printable form. So all these question and answers, MCQs, true or false, application based, and fill in the blanks, you have to do it in your fair computer copy. This is theory chapter, so you have to do it in the theory portion. Okay children, thank you.